English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2. Freedom, obey, would appreciate. Freedom. Freedom is a noun. B2 learners usually know freedom. Freedom is the power to act, speak, or think as one wants. Here are some examples. We do have some freedom of choice. The speaker talked about religious freedom. Not all people enjoy the same kind of freedom that we have. Obey. Obey is a verb. B2 learners usually know obey. To obey is to submit to the authority of a person or a law. Here are some examples. The soldier's duty is to obey his superiors. She obeys her parents in everything. People obeyed him because they were afraid of him. Would appreciate. Would appreciate is a phrase. B2 learners usually know would appreciate. Would appreciate is used to show that a person is thankful for something. Here are some examples. I would appreciate it if you could join me. The police would appreciate any information that you can give them. She would appreciate your help if you have any time to spare. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with freedom, obey, and would appreciate. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR B2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.